The easiest way to make money on social media is through affiliate sales, but it only works if you do it correctly. So in this video, I'm going to share the exact system I've used to generate thousands through affiliate links and how anyone can do the same. If you're not familiar with affiliate marketing, this is when you promote a product or service, and in exchange, a company pays you a commission for any sales you drive. And there are two reasons why this is the easiest way to make money on social media. First is that you don't need a very big audience to start making sales. With something like brand deals, typically you need around 10 to 20,000 followers before these will start coming in. But with affiliate marketing, there are programs that you can sign up for and they accept anyone. So that means you can start making sales right away. In fact, the first affiliate sale I ever made was on a page with only 2,000 followers. So if you do it right, you don't need a massive following for this to work. By the way, if you need help making money on social media, I've created a free monetization roadmap that you can download using the first link in the description. Inside the roadmap, you'll find everything you need to help you choose a profitable niche, build an audience, and then monetize that audience. So if you're interested, once again, you can download that using the first link in the description. All right, the second reason affiliate marketing is the easiest way to make money on social media is that it requires little to no work. All you have to do is post a link and the company you're promoting does everything else. So you don't have to deal with fulfilling orders, customer service, or any other logistics. You just post a link and if someone buys, you make money. Also, since you're promoting another company, this can give you more credibility than if you're trying to sell a product yourself. For example, if you share a link to Amazon, people are inherently going to trust Amazon more than just a small creator. But as I alluded to earlier, affiliate marketing only works if you do it correctly. So now I'm going to share the 3-step system I've used to generate thousands through affiliate links. Step 1. I used to run an old sports blog where I posted articles about basketball. But since I didn't have many readers, I didn't qualify for Google AdSense, which would have allowed me to run ads alongside my articles. So as a way around this, I signed up for the Amazon affiliate program, and this allowed me to embed my own ads on the site. But the problem was Amazon didn't have very many products that were relevant to my articles. So I had to get creative about what products I chose to embed. Remember, this blog was about basketball. Well, one day after the Super Bowl, I had the genius idea to link to Kansas City Chiefs merchandise alongside my article about basketball. Not only did I not make any sales, I didn't even get any clicks. And I think you can probably see why. Even if I had a bigger audience, the products I was linking were not relevant to my audience. Sure, there are some people who like both basketball and football, but this was a basketball specific blog. So linking to merchandise that was football related was not the best idea. So step number 1 is to find the right product for your audience. Just because you can link to any product you find on Amazon doesn't mean your audience will be interested in buying that product. If you want to get sales, you need to find products that your audience actually wants. Think about it this way. People don't love being sold to, but if you find a product that they would genuinely be interested in, it will not feel so much like you're selling, and it will feel more like you're doing them a favor because you're recommending a product that they would actually buy. This leads into the second step, which is all about timing. When I made my first affiliate sale, it was on my Instagram page that corresponded with my sports blog. And what happened is it was the day after the NBA Finals, and I was scrolling through Fanatics, which is a sports merchandise website, and I found a shirt that I thought my followers would be interested in. So I posted a link on my story, and I actually made multiple sales from this. So this is a great example of finding the right product and then also selling it at the right time. If I had tried to sell this shirt 3 months later, I probably wouldn't have made any sales because the finals had concluded 3 months ago. But on the other hand, where I posted this shirt the day after the NBA Finals, the championship was fresh on people's minds, and so they were excited to buy the shirt. All right, I've shared a lot of sports examples, so let me share a different one. Let's say you create travel content And one of the ways you make money is by posting affiliate links to backpacks, luggage, portable chargers, and other travel related products. Most likely you're going to see higher affiliate sales during the summer because that's when everyone travels. But during the rest of the year, people are in school or it might be too cold to travel, so your affiliate sales are probably going to be lower. So the second step is to consider timing when choosing what to promote. All right, then the final step has to do with your offer. In other words, why should people buy from you as opposed to just visiting the company's website and buying it there? I have two examples to illustrate this point. Continuing with the trend of sports, the best affiliate partnership I ever had was with a clothing company that sold jerseys. And the reason the partnership was so lucrative is that this company didn't just give me an affiliate link, they also gave me a discount code that gave my followers 50% off any purchase. That made it extremely easy for me to get sales because typically an NBA basketball jersey costs over $100, but using my discount code, they could get one for half that. In other words, they were incentivized to buy the product through me because they couldn't get a better deal anywhere else. Before, when I was posting a link to Fanatics or Amazon, they were gonna have to buy the jersey full price, so they were much less likely to buy. Also, going back to my earlier point, when I promoted this company to my followers, it didn't feel so much like selling, it felt more like I was doing them a favor because I was giving them a good deal on a product they were already interested in buying. All right, then the second example comes from a conversation I had the other day. I was talking to a creator who has done over 100K in a month before just by promoting affiliate links. But even crazier is the fact they only have 20,000 followers. Now, I'll preface this by saying that this creator promotes sports betting, which is not something I endorse, but I still think it's worth sharing the example for educational purposes. Essentially how his business works is he runs a social media page where he talks about sports betting, and then he uses that to funnel people into signing up for sports betting apps. And he gets a $100 commission for every person that signs up, so that can add up pretty quick. But the way that he's able to get so many people to sign up is the offer he's promoting gives people a free $25 when they sign up, and they don't have to make a deposit. Typically with these sports betting apps, in order to get the promo, you have to sign up and make a deposit. But his offer is the best because you don't have to make a deposit to get the $25. So if you can see, if you put yourself in the shoes of one of his followers, if you're interested in sports betting and you want to sign up for an app, it's a no-brainer because you basically just get a free $25. So not only does he have a product people want, he also has a killer offer, and as a result, he's generating thousands of dollars a month. Now, if there was one downside to his business, it's that sports are pretty seasonal. Typically, he's going to make the most money during football season, which is in the fall, and then the sales are going to be lower throughout the rest of the year. But I still think it's a great example of someone who's following the system and reaping the rewards because of it. So that is my 3-step system to succeeding with affiliate marketing: finding the right product, considering the timing, and having a killer offer. And if you want to learn more ways to make money on social media, click the video on screen to learn how you can build an audience and monetize it.